Hello guys, so today I'm going to test the OpenAI's open-weight large language model, the GPT-OSS. But before we start with the reasoning, logic, and other challenges, so let's set up the model locally first. So I have the LM Studio version 0.3.23, and with the OpenAI GPT-OSS 20 billion parameter loaded on my local PC. So it take up to like 12 gigabyte on my machines, and then I think this one is suitable for the local experimentations, and the other version is not suitable for the personal devices, because it take up too much capacity. So let's say, for example, if you look for the GPT-OSS 120 billion parameters, so yeah, it's likely too large for the my laptop. Even I have a couple like powerful ones with like 48 gig of RAM, MacBook Pro M4, but it's not allow me to run the 120 billion parameter version. So I go ahead with the smaller ones, the GPT-OSS 20B. So for those who's asking for how much capacity they take up for, it will be around 12 gig of your disk space to run this model, of course. Okay, so let's open the chart, select the model to load. So OpenAI GPT-OSS, right? Yep, it will take like a few seconds for the model to load, and you can see that the RAM is increasing, right? So the CPU doesn't seem to be impart the RAM perm up to 12 gigabyte after I loaded the model. So let's start with the first question for the GPT-OSS 20B, right? This one testing the reasoning and logics. Okay, you have three boxes, one with apple, one with orange, and another one mixed. So yeah, this one testing the reasoning and logic. So you can see that it's thought for a brief moment, right? And it responds really fast with the solution. So first one, pick the box that label mix, and then use that information to identify other two boxes, and then it's final correct labeling. So yeah, it's burning totally 442 tokens, and it's take less than a second, like 39 milliseconds for to return the first token. So the speed is impressive, right? Okay, so let's move to the next challenge, the summarization and reviewing. I think is quite easy for the GPT open-weight OSS. This one summarizing. Well, yeah. So there 53 tokens, and then it responding quite fast, right? So artificial intelligence is reshaping the industry by automating the repetitive tasks, improving decisions making through data analysis, and enabling new products such as autonomous vehicle and virtual assistant. So yeah, I think it's doing a good job on this challenge. And so the new ones like creative writing, so write a short fun story and 150 word about a baby dragon who wants to learn how to code Python. Okay, so it's this one will test the imagination and natural writing style of the model. Let's see how it's work on this one. Wow, very fast. Hello pip, where pip try syntax error, and soon pip program could draw fire. Yeah, so it's burned 190 tokens. So the cool thing when you try it in the LM Studio, that you can see the tokens is burned token per second, the speed of generating token, and then the time to the first token. This one is do a pretty good job, right? So let's try with a simple coding challenge. Write Python code to revert a string without using the built-in reverse function. So I think it's quite easy for the AI, right? Yeah, so I'm not a Python guy, so I don't know if it's correct or not, but look fine from my point of view. So if you are Python expert and you're watching this video, please share a comment on like does this write like good code or not. Thank you. So and yeah, 196 token and it's like 0.3 seconds to the first token and the speed is quite good. Okay, so let's try the structure output. Okay, so ability to follow the instruction, right? Is we are asking the AI model to generate 5 interview question for the junior cloud engineers, and it need to output in the JSON format. So let's see if it's able to follow the requirement for the output. Well, it's thought for a brief moment. So okay, 200 token and like 0.35 seconds to the first token. So it generates exactly 5 questions, okay, with the level, difficulty, and the questions, and it's returned in the array JSON. So yep, it's follow on the requirement. Good job. And the final challenge is like the for the step-by-step test the math, reasoning, and change thought style. Okay. So we not only ask the model to solve a problem, but also it needs to explain step by step first. Okay, so the train leave the station by 2 p.m. going 600 km per hour, another the leave 3 p.m. and 90 in the same direction, faster than a catch up. Okay, so yeah, this time it's thought for 1 second, and almost 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds before it's getting back with a solution, right? So yeah, we are asking for step by step explain. Yeah, and it's get back like with 5 step, right? Step 1, define time variable, then express the train distance from the stations. Set the distance equal 3 hour and convert to the clock time 3 hour after 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Answer the faster train catch up at 5 p.m. Yeah, impressive. So it's not only follow us, but like follow the requirements to solve the math problem, but like it's also explain the step by step quite clear for us to understand, right? And the response is very well formatted, and it take like 354 tokens. Yeah, again, it's very fast time to the first token, and the speed of token generation is quite good. Okay, so I think the like open weight model, the GPT OSS 20 billion parameter, doing a quite good job on the challenge. I think it's quite easy for it. So next time I'm going to increase the like difficulty level for the challenge. Maybe the harder the math challenge, and then a longer paragraph to summarize, something like that. So yeah, if you have any challenge that you want to try with the GPT-OSS 20 billion parameters, so comment and let me know. I'm going to do it. Thank you. Have a good day.